If you're trying to update Windows 11 to version 22H2 and you get the error, we couldn't install this update, but you can try again 0x80888002. This means that a registry entry might be stopping you from installing the update, so in this tutorial you'll learn how to delete the entry that is causing this error. First, open the Start menu and type cmd. Click on Run as administrator. Now copy the first script from the description of this video. Right-click the top frame of command prompt and select Edit. Now select Paste. Press Enter. If the first script didn't work, copy the second script and do the same thing you did previously. Press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter to close command prompt. Now try to run Windows Update again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.